Are you ready to discover the top 6 teas that'll not only make your taste buds dance but also help clean your arteries, normalize high blood pressure, and prevent heart attacks? Yep, you heard that right. These magical brews are not just delicious but pack a powerful health punch, too. So grab your favorite mug and get ready for the tealicious ride of your life. Now, let's start with an amazing fun fact. Did you know that tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water? It's true. Tea has been adored by people around the globe for thousands of years. And today we're going to explore the best of the best for your heart health. 1. Green tea. First up is the ever-popular green tea, a superstar in the world of healthy teas. Loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps to reduce inflammation in your body and protect your blood vessels. But that's not all. Studies have shown that green tea can improve blood flow, lower cholesterol, and reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure. So go on, sip away and let green tea work its magic. 2. Hibiscus tea. Next on our list is the stunningly vibrant hibiscus tea. This ruby red gem is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower and boasts a tart, tangy flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. Hibiscus tea is known to help lower blood pressure and reduce the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C, which is great for boosting your immune system. Talk about a win-win. 3. Black tea. No top tea list would be complete without the classic black tea. This bold and robust brew is made from the same plant as green tea, but it's fermented, which gives it its distinctive flavor and color. Black tea contains an abundance of flavonoids that help to improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. So whether you like it plain or with a dash of milk, you can't go wrong with a steaming cup of black tea. 4. Oolong tea. Now, let's venture into the world of oolong tea, a delightful blend between black and green tea. Oolong tea is partially fermented, giving it a unique flavor profile that's both smooth and slightly sweet. It's loaded with antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol levels. Plus, research suggests that oolong tea can help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease. So next time you're in the mood for a tea adventure, give oolong a try. 5. Rooibos tea. Coming in at number 5 is rooibos tea, a naturally caffeine-free herbal tea from South Africa. This rich, earthy brew is packed with antioxidants that help to protect your heart by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy blood flow. Rooibos tea is also known to lower blood pressure and inhibit the angiotensin-converting enzyme, which is responsible for constricting blood vessels. So go ahead, indulge in a soothing cup of rooibos tea, and let your heart thank you. 6. Pomegranate tea. Last but certainly not least is pomegranate tea, a refreshing and fruity infusion that's perfect for a hot summer day. Pomegranate tea is made from the dried peels and seeds of the pomegranate fruit, which are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These powerful compounds help to keep your arteries flexible and reduce the buildup of plaque, lowering your risk of heart disease. So sip on this delightful brew and bask in its heart-healthy goodness. And there you have it, the top 6 teas that'll not only tantalize your taste buds but also help clean your arteries, normalize high blood pressure, and prevent heart attacks. With each flavorful sip, you'll be doing your heart a favor, all while enjoying the deliciousness that these teas have to offer. Now, remember that while these teas can contribute to better heart health, they are not a substitute for a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. So be sure to incorporate these teas into your daily routine, along with other heart-healthy habits, for the best results. So, which of these teas are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite heart-healthy tea that didn't make the list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tea content and health tips. Thank you for joining us on this terrific journey. And until next time, happy sipping.